Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have an Easter basket Dollar Tree DIY. We're going to make one of the Lollipop baskets using one of the long bubble wands from the Dollar Tree. They come in a 2-pack. I chose pink and 2 of the pink plastic party bowls. I just have to make a hole in the bottom of this. I'm actually going to use my heated knife that I got on Amazon with the razor blade removed to actually make a hole in this. And I do have this linked in my Amazon shop. I love it for making holes in plastic items like this. Now I can slide the bubble wand right in. I attached mine with tape, a lot of tape on the inside and the outside. And the reason is that I didn't want to glue the bubble wand in there because I want it to be removable. Because that's part of the Easter gift, right? But it's also going to act as a lollipop handle for our lollipop basket. Now it's time to fill this up with goodies. I do pink party shreds, one of the little Dollar Tree jumping bunnies, and it's kind of easier to stand this up maybe in a vase. We got some jelly bean and a carrot. I'm going to use some of these really cute little jelly bean plastic eggs and fill them up with jelly beans from the Dollar Tree. And we're just going to fill this up for a little kid. This is such a fun idea. I've made something similar on my channel where I made a ring pop using a foam wreath form and the plastic bowls. I add some bunny ears, some more plastic eggs filled with candy from the Dollar Tree. They have so many different kinds of candy there. Some of the bunny eggs, I think those will look really cute in there too. And Dollar Tree has such a good selection of the eggs. I'm also going to do a little jumping chick and a gift card and a gold egg. I think that's going to be a fun little treat in there and a fun way to give a gift card. Now, I'm thinking that looks pretty full, but maybe a few more pieces of candy. I do want the top of it to look like it's full too. So I added some Tootsie Roll Pops, an Easter cookie of the bunny, and a little bit more filler, and some peanut butter eggs. Now when I put this on, it's looking a lot more full. To attach it, I just take some Scotch tape, and I do it like every quarter of the way around the bowl. That way it's going to be easy to take this apart and open it up, but to gift it, you can give it as a lollipop. Now I did want to wrap it with plastic to make it look like a candy wrapper. And I'm going to use some of the cello wrap from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't find any of the plastic bags they normally have, but I think this will work. I just put it on from the top. I cut a big square of it, and I'm wrapping it around the stem of the lollipop like this. And then I can tie this off. I want it to be easy to get into. I'm just going to use a little twine to tie this. And I do want to cut off some of the excess plastic down there because my handle is not super long for this lollipop. Using the bubble one. And then I thought a cute little bow would be cute too. So I'm using some of the Peeps Easter ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to make a very simple, tiny little faux bow. I just cut a loop and a tail piece, and I'm going to use that same twine to tie the bow on there. Perfect finishing touch for our little lollipop Easter basket. Everything was from the Dollar Tree, and this was so much fun to put together. If you like more Easter Dollar Tree DIYs, be sure to check out my YouTube channel at Crafty Beach. And until next time, happy crafting!